back on this Wednesday. Wanted to touch bases on the lawn that we haven't got to cover yet. A little bit of coverage, but last time it was a little bit of rain. So this time, as you can see, I don't know maybe how tall you can see. Let's walk down here. You can kind of see how tall it is. There's the camera in the grass. You know, we got probably anywhere from 10 to 12 inches in some areas, just due to all the rain that we've had in the area. But that's just how it falls. We're grateful that the rain is here. We're grateful that everything is coming to a head. You know, we're very blessed this year, so we can't really complain with that. But we're going to do a short clip of this while we're mowing and stuff, so y'all can actually see how we knock this out and make this look a little better than what it is, because it looks, you can honestly look at it and it looks like nobody has touched this in quite some time. But this is a property that we do every 2 weeks, but with just so much rain and stuff, we're pushed behind schedule. But some yards we've been taking care of in the rain, but this one is just one of those yards that the client wants every 2 weeks, so therefore we just kind of have to play the role with it. We cut it pretty short usually, but just stay tuned, guys, and just watching this clip. All right, folks, there's your clip. Looks so much better. We still got some trimming and stuff to do. As you're going to take a little trip with us, I'm going to stick you on the trimmer and let you have some nice POV for yourselves. So I hope y'all like the yard. Like I said, wife's still working on the back. You can see a little few spots up near the porch. I don't know if you can see that. We still got a little bit of a hillside over here we got to trim, as I tried to do a wheelie over there. But guys, this yard always turns out nice. I just wish the lady would let me you know, get this on a weekly cut, but unfortunately we have to go by their rules when it comes to pay budget wise. So we're just grateful that we got the yard, grateful that we got the customer, because she is a really good client. But furthermore, just watch the next clip as y'all put you on the trimmer, and you can have some good point of view and be able to get some close up on that as we trim and get everything cleaned up near the house and around the trees and all that and so forth. All right, guys, got this one finished up. You can see Mary's up there blowing everything, getting everything cleaned off. This one's looking not too shabby. Sun's finally coming out. Gives you a nice, good view there. Really cleaned up. All right, guys, so that one's it for this one. On to the next one. See you guys.